What's up, everybody? K Smooth in the house. Man, it is December 10th, and we have got the bikes running. Yes, we've got the bikes running. Of course, let me go back and officially say that's my wife's Can-Am. Over here we got the Gold Wing and the M109. So we've got them running. Keep the battery up a little bit. Keep that gas good, because most people, I ain't gonna say most people, I'm gonna say some people. Some people say that they put preservatives, fuel preservative in their tank, and they put them up for the winter. Well, this is East Tennessee, and East Tennessee weather is all over the place. Right now, it is 61 degrees. 61. And like I say, we got them running, mainly because, like I said, try to keep the battery up. I do have a battery tender, but it is dead. Something is wrong with it. I'm gonna have to get another one. But yeah, man, just keep these things going, and everything will be okay. I mean, every week or so, every 2 weeks, let these things run. Let them run. These bikes have been running now for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes they've been running. So give me your thoughts. Give me your thoughts on my motorcycle moments with K Smooth. Motorcycle moments, yeah, with K Smooth. Now let me know what you guys do as far as these winter months. If you ride all year round, if you put the fuel preservative in, let me know what y'all do. I mean, what I do is not right, it's not wrong, it's just what I do. And the same thing goes for you. Same thing goes for you. So let me know what y'all do. Let me know. Yeah, check them out, y'all. That's the bully. And that bad boy is no joke. No joke. And this bad boy here, I don't care what they say. That bad boy it's so smooth. So smooth on the interstate. So smooth. And I'm gonna be honest with you. That one right there, my wife has had that thing down in Key West twice, along with this Gold Wing I got, and we have been through Canada. That Can-Am has been through Canada. We went up to Detroit, went through Canada that way, went to Niagara Falls. So, yeah, she's a rider. She is a rider. We both are riders. We just don't ride around town. No, we are go-getters. We like to ride. We like to ride. We like to ride these old bikes. So, like I say, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know what y'all do, man, as far as your bikes go. Be coming back with another video here in the next couple days, probably this weekend. We got some big things going on, so stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, it doesn't matter what you ride as long as you ride. 2s or 3s. K Smooth signing out. Peace.